A very good day to you wherever you are in the world. I am coming to you all the way from London XL near the Docklands. It is such a great opportunity to engage with you, and I do hope that you will reach out to us and find out what we learned from this experience. With Julia Narpor, who is an executive coach. Please tell us a little bit about what you do.
So I'm an executive coach and I have a particular focus on emotional intelligence. So helping business leaders and executives to better understand themselves and better understand the world around them and how they relate to other people.
It actually started personally. So my eldest daughter, she had ADHD. We didn't know what it was. She was struggling at school. Her confidence was really low, and the schools, they kind of told us it was sensory processing disorder. They didn't know what was going on.
I'm here with an incredible woman by the name of Alison, who has this organization called the Safety Elf.
Have you ever heard the term elf and safety?
It's absolutely crucial because one of the key aspects of relationship is how you're going to interact with others. And one of the things we teach people is how to show respect around the time elements.
But it doesn't mean you can't approach it with fun and make it interesting and enjoyable.
I think it's really important that people understand the importance of manners, of the importance of etiquette, and the importance of the wider sort of context of that emotional intelligence.
I'm about to actually write a book. It's going to be a tell a new story with ADHD series, and the first book's going to be look through the ADHD lens. So do watch out for that. Another thing that I find really difficult for poor ADHDers in the workplace, in particular, is that often they get penalised for their manner. They get penalised for being too blunt, too direct, maybe a bit oppositional, being obstructive, and it's really upsetting because actually these are just ADHDers that have got very high standards of excellence and really care, not just about how they perform and how the organisation performs. They care about their colleagues and they can see the impact certain things, will have on their colleagues.
Like how you show up every day, even how you show up to yourself, every day you wake up, you're in charge of how you approach that day.